So this is an important question, right? Yes, we make sure everything is kept safe, but I know you want a little bit more information than that, so let me go into it a little bit more. But we make sure that all of your information is kept secure. The reason is when it comes to your brain waves and your brain patterns, this is considered, we consider this biological data, right? So we actually do store this on a secure server, cloud-based server. AWS is actually what we use. And we make sure that it's encrypted and that it's really maintained with a lot of privacy levels. Now, we've taken a lot of steps to make sure that your data is kept safe and confidential, and to make sure that your privacy is kept confidential. Like it is important to us. It's very important to me. So we do look after it. Now, what do? What does it mean? So number one, we've got that secure server where we store all of your data. It's an encrypted, it's a secure server that we use. But before we even load anything up to that server, after your brilliant scan, we actually remove any identifiers from your data, right? So we now know you as a code. So your name might be Dave Morris, in the real world, and that's what we write down on your report and everything like that. But before we upload it, before we send it to get analyzed by the team, we'll put an identifier on there, which is automatically generated. It's randomly generated based on your initials, but it's still randomly generated. So you might get a code assigned to that data, DM123. So then when it goes up and when we're working on it, we're working on your data with a code. This is the data for DM123. Then when it comes down and it's all been analysed and recommendations have been made and we pull it off the server and we're now producing your report, that's when we then match your code up with your real details, we put your name on your report, and away you go. So we do take a lot of steps to make sure that we keep your data private, safe, confidential, so that's what we do. We do take it very seriously. Is it kept safe and confidential? Yes, it is.